HS Game Time wants to get you involved this sports season and maybe make you a little cash. If you've got a smartphone, download the app ScoopShot. Take a picture at your game, and we might just pay you for it. Keep your eye on HS Game Time and the newspaper for more details on ScoopShot. It could put some money in your wallet. And it's time for the You Pick'em contest, where high school football fans cast their vote for weekly winners. Some great prizes await the fans who pick the most games correctly. Sign up now at HS Game Time. There's no reason to miss out on any of HS Game Time's coverage this season. Like us on Facebook or give us a follow on Twitter. We post videos, photos, and of course, the stories. And if you're looking for this season's football shows, you'll find them on the HS Game Time channel on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button and you'll be alerted each time a new show is ready to view. HS Game Time, keeping you a part of our team.